2 points agad. 2 points. Ruel Ingo. 2-0 in favor of Team Ingo. Nobleza pass to Derepite. 18-second shot clock. Derepite pass to Manuel. Manuel pull up shot. No good. Rebound by Ingo. 9 minutes and 45 seconds. Denmark spin move. Denmark 2 points. Denmark ilan? 4-0 in favor of Team David. Napakainit na simula. Ito na. Nagod. Rebound by Nimrod. Steal by Derepite. 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 2 points. Imiel. Derepite. Ito ka ulit. Video lang ulit. Salamat ito. 17-second shot clock. Nimrod. Pass to Ruel. 2 points. Ruel Linggo. 6-2 in favor of Team David pa rin. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. 0. 14-second shot clock. Derepite. 10-second shoot. Manuel. Short jumper. Cyril Manuel. 6-4 in favor of Team Papaw. Team Ingo. 2 points again by Denmark Silao. 8-4 in favor pa rin ng Team Ingo. Number 3 pick. Wala na siya ng good 3 by Nimrod. Pass to Denmark. Mark. Mark, pass to Ruel. Ruel, easy shot. No good rin by number 30.
Tagal.
Steal by to Dante. 10-second shot clock. 7 step back 3. No good. Rebound by Denmark kalaki yan. 2 points. Denmark ilan. 10-4. 6-point lead by Team David. Nobleza. Take it through. No good. Rebound by number 0. Number 0 sa ilalim. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Christian. To Ruel. Ruel, pass to Denmark. Denmark, speed move. Denmark pa rin. 2 points. Denmark. Tilang. 12-4 in favor of Team David pa rin. 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Manuel, wala pa rin. Rebound by Nimrod. Nimrod, nagagawa ng bola. Nimrod, to Denmark. Intercepted by Manuel. Manuel. Nawala. Steal by Christian. Pass to Dare. Dare sa ilalim. Dare. 2 points. Dare Arroyo. 14-4 in favor pa rin ng Team David. Manuel. One other shot. No good. Rebound by another 2 points. Cyril Manuel. 6 minutes and 34 seconds. Out of bounds. Good ball. Good yan. Good ball. Derepite, wala pa rin. Rebound by Ruel. Ang sipag yan. 6 minutes and 15. Ruel lumipad. Wala pa rin. Rebound pa rin ng Ruel. 17-second shot clock. Ruel, take it through. No good. Rebound by Manuel. 6 minutes exactly. Manuel. Alad ko, ang ganda pa sa naman sa ilalim. No, 2 points. Manuel. Assist by Manuel. 13-8. John Ray. Pinoy set. Block. Rebound by Cyril. Bumangga. 15-second shot clock. 13-second shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Take it 3. No good pa rin. Rebound by Manuel. 2 point no good. Rebound by Manuel pa rin. 14-second shot clock. Take it 3. No good. Rebound by number 0. Blocked by Nimrod. Last possession before change. Last possession na po tayo. Rebound by John Mark. John Mark to John Ray. Nauna na. John Ray, tumayo. Wala pa rin. Ruel. Change score na po. Change score. 16-8 in favor of Team David. 16-8. May tubig po dito, may tubig.
Ay, nakalimutan kong sabihin pala yung naka-noodles tayo. Nag-pop din siya ate. Kita kayo dyan, sakto.
Wala pa tayong ano ngayon, basaw. Sorry mga bro. Nalimutan. Dalmark, nawala na si John Ray sa ilalim. 2 points. John Ray. Arroyo, 18-8. In favor pa rin. Rebound by Christian. Kuya. Out of bounds. Ball stays with Team Tutoy. 18-8. 10-point lead by Team David. Next game. Team David 2.0 versus Team Kenneth. No good. Rebound by John Mark pa rin. John Mark.
Ikaw na lang ginagalo, Peggy? Ikaw na lang ginagalo? Sige.
Shoot. 2 points. 28. 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Manuel. Lupa shot is good. Cyril Manuel. 20-10 in favor of Team David. Bumangga. Block. 15 second shot lang. Manuel taking 3. Manuel. 20-13. 7-point lead na lang. Parlaw na para si John Ray. 2 points. John Ray. Arroyo. 22-13. 2 minutes and 26. Kausap mo by Manuel. 15 second shot lang. Manuel pa rin. Nagawa na parang 2 points. Cyril Manuel. 22-15. Ruel. To John Ray. To Nimrod. Nimrod ang napasa kay Ruel. 2 points. Ruel Ingo. 24-15. Assist by Nimrod. Manuel. 24-18. 24-18. Out of bounds. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. 24-18. Manuel. Steal by Christian. Ilar. Pass to John Ray. Arroyo. To John Mark. Ang haba. 2 points. John Mark. Ilar. Pass to Emil. Derbite. 15 seconds shot clock. Breathe. Elbow. Rebound number 0. 10 seconds shoot. Taking 3. No good pa rin. Rebound by Nimrod. Steal by number 0. Number 0 sa ilalim. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Ruel. Ruel, nagmamadali. Ruel, lumipad. Wala. Rebound by Manuel. Last 2 minutes. Sa tinsay niya yan ng Swiss Unity Corners Challenge. It's always with us. Nimrod. Asong. Nimrod. Steal by number 0. Tingay. Derbite. Garo bola. Derbite. Ang nalapasa parang kicking. Manalili. 2 points. Cyril Manuel. Assist by Emil Manalili. Dago.
Sinabi no. Ito yung malalala.
Nakuha pa rin. Grabe yung kuha niya. Rebound by Lucas Mesa, 2 points. Victor Mesa, 4-point lead na lang po. 1 minute and 20 seconds left. Ayan na yung mga import ko. Yan yung mga bata ko. Sakto-sakto sa next game. 2 points. John Ray Manuel. John Ray, Arroyo. 6-point lead. 1 minute exactly. Yan na, dumating na yung mga bata ko. Sige, sakto. Pang second game na kayo. Sakto. 50 seconds left. 2 points. John Mark. Ilan. 30-22, 8-point lead by Team David. Nobles at take it 3. Wala pa rin talaga.
Oh, doon sa kabila.
Jim. Jim yan.
20 seconds left. No good. 20 seconds left. Shot lock off na po tayo. 20 seconds left. Shot lock off. 2 points. Cyril Manuel. 30-24. 10 seconds left. 10 seconds left. Pinabati ko nga pala yung mga idol natin sa South Green. Lumayo pa dito. 5 seconds left. Game road. Lasho. 1 second left. Good game.